These are the most effective productivity methods combined into one Notion app, your second brain. According to a study by Harvard Business, the most effective productivity method is timeboxing. And the really successful people also value the habit of note-taking.
Taking notes has been the most important thing that I've done in building businesses.
Until now, increasing your productivity meant juggling multiple apps like note-taking, project management, and calendar apps. But with Second Brain, all of these essential tools are now combined into one powerful system. When you open your Second Brain, the first thing you'll see is your daily schedule, where you can set up a daily routine. Just below, you can manage your ongoing projects and track your most important goals. In the Areas section, you can organize personal interests like workouts and travel plans. And under Resources, you can easily find all your inspirations or start an AI conversation with them. Now, I'll show you how to define your goals using the timeboxing method. People who use this technique achieve their goals significantly more often than those who don't. First, brain dump your goals to prevent overthinking, but a simple bucket list isn't enough. Research shows that prioritizing your goals eliminates distractions and increases your chances of success. But the most important step is to define a deadline. This prevents procrastination because it challenges you to achieve your goals faster. The next step is to break down your big goal into smaller projects and tasks. This is a great way to gain clarity on what you need to do next. When you create a project, essential tasks are automatically generated. Add any required tasks, prioritize, and schedule. Now, to achieve these goals and complete your projects efficiently, it's essential to continuously capture inspirations and ideas to get your work done effortlessly. This is what I will show you next. First, capture any idea or inspiration that resonates with you. You can use the Notion web clipper to seamlessly collect links into your second brain. Then, we organize. Instead of categorizing notes by their source, like books or podcasts, organize them by the project they relate to. This makes it easier to find and use the information when needed. After that, take the time to create detailed notes or summaries to ensure future understanding and usability. And finally, because you've captured, organized, and distilled all your inspirations, you can quickly gather references to create something of value, whether that's writing a blog post or making a video. The ultimate goal of Second Brain is to help you turn your ideas and creativity into reality. Get the Second Brain Notion app from Adrian's Notes. The link is in the description. For team leaders, freelancers, and business owners, I've created a business version of Second Brain that also includes the most effective business methods. To learn more about Business Brain, watch this video.